Hello, welcome all to my channel. Today we are going to learn the limit clause in MySQL Workbench. Previously, we have just seen the limit clause and also the order by clause. Today we are going to continue a discussion for the limit clause. As all of we know that database consists of very huge and complex kind of data. Out of that, if you require some kind of a specific conditional data, you can achieve this one with the help of where clause. If you want to sort out the data in a particular fashion, that is either in a ascending or descending order, then you can use the order by clause. In the same way, this limit clause is used to specify number of records to return from the table. That is, whatever the data you get, whatever the records you will be get from the table, or either with the where clause or by the order by clause. Out of that, again, if you want only specific number of the records, then you have to mention the limit clause. Limit clause is always, this keyword limit is always followed by the number. Limit clause always consists of the numerical data, not a alphabet or alphanumeric data. Then how to implement this limit clause? This limit clause you can apply individually or with the where clause or with the where and order by combination. Depending on these different kinds of a situation, there are the different possibilities of the syntax. So first of all, let's see, that is, select start from table name followed by the limit number. That is, individually you can apply the limit clause with a keyword as a limit followed by the number on a whole table. You can apply this one with the where condition. So after mentioning the table name, please write down the where keyword followed by the condition and then go with a limit number. The point mentioned, notice over here is that first of all you have to write down the where condition, then apply the limit clause. Or the next possibility is that after following table name, firstly you mention the condition with an where clause, then arrange that data either in a ascending or descending order with the order by clause, and then out of that you access only specific number of the records with the limit clause, that is, write down the limit followed by your number of records interested. Now, the next possibility is that you can apply this limit clause with where and order by clause either on the whole table or only on the specific columns. So, the syntax will be remains as the same. Instead of you mention the table name is replaced with the column name. So, just replace this start from with the specific column name and apply the limit individually or with a where clause or with the where and order by clause. Now we will be just see how to implement this in the MySQL workbench. So let's start off this one. So first of all, we will be just see that this one is nothing but the project or the table that we have just seen, that is on a student record. This one is on a table created which consists of total of 10 entries. Firstly, select. I am just choosing down the table, whole table over here. Individually, I can use, that is, limit. There are the total 10 entries. I will be keyword, write down the keyword over here as a limit followed by the number, that is limit 5. Let's see that. That is, out of a total 10 entries, I will achieve only the 5 entries because here limit followed by the number as a 5. You can use this. Select star from, we can go with the where condition, where put down the column name, that is on a roll number, condition between the roll number is from 3 to 8. I want that roll number from 3 to 8. So here condition is I want the fetch the records from the table student record where the roll numbers are from 3 to 8. So these 6 entries I achieved over here. So first of all, this one is from roll number 3 to 8. So this is a total 6 entries are present over here. Then I mention over here, out of these 6 entries, if I want only the top 4, that is 3, 4, 5, and 6, then I use the limit as an 4. So out of these 6, I achieved only the 4 with the help of limit clause. So let's see over here, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, that is an 4 entries display. So this one is the combination of where clause and the limit by. After that, we just go over here, that is select star from followed by the table name. First of all, go with a condition where marks greater than 60. Now I am just checking out. Let's consider there is one condition that from a class you want a top 3 students, topper 3 students. Here in this table, we have a total 10 entries. Out of that, I want the top 3 students. How can I choose this one? So first of all, I have to put down the condition on the marks. So I will be just consider here marks greater than 60. I want the topper. So this mark should be arranged in the descending order. The topper should be the highest marks should be come first, and then it is going to be in a decreasing order. So I'm going to arrange this, sort this order by clause. On which column I have to put down? This one is on the marks column. What is the order by marks? Then it is either ascending or descending. It is in a descending order. So let's see over here. That is, first of all, we will be just check out the whole table. That is this kind of a table. You just see over here, this one is 54, 62. Out of this, that is from only the 54, that mark is skipped down and 9 entries will be appear over here. Out of this, then all these marks are going to be arranged in a decreasing or the descending order. So the topper, that is an 85, will be come as an first, and then it is going to be in a decreasing order. So this one is 85, 81, 81, 78, 73, like this one. In the descending order we have arranged, because here order by condition is in a decreasing. Then out of this, how many number of entries are there? There are the total 9 entries. If out of this I want the topper 3, then I put down the limit as an 3. Okay. So in this way, I got the topper which achieved the marks as an 85, 81, and 81. So in this way, we can see that how to implement the limit clause. We will be just see over here the one example how to apply this on the particular column. So here you can say, or you just go with the first name, from you go with the table name where marks greater than, you can see marks should be greater than that of the 70, or you can just see here marks are gonna 60, limit 5. So what happens over here? Though I have bet down the condition on the mark, what you are interested to display the name. That is the students whose marks are greater than 60, their names are going to be displayed. And how many numbers displayed? It is maximum of the 5. So those who are scored more than the 60, out of that only 5 getting displayed. So rest of the things will be remains as on the same one. Instead of a start from, you mention the particular column. Okay. So in this way, we have just seen how to implement the limit clause. This one is for the today's session. Thank you.